Hey guys, level 2 here. Um, just want to make sure my stream is online. Uh, right, so what we gonna do is the trade plan for tomorrow. So, what we have is we deviation level setup based on our deviations. Right, so we had deviations at 29 tenths and 28.72s. That's the first impact point. We're looking at 7.5 points or 30 ticks as we stop. We have some cleanup to do on the program, so we're just waiting for markets to open. It's supposed to be open now. We open right in line with where we expected. So let's go to see where we gonna place our orders, which would be 2902, well 2909.5. So we're looking at selling more or less this node here. Deviation, you can see we were trapped for the last week. Is a compositor for the whole week last week. Trapped. There is some consolidation after the big push. If you want to see that, is got a 1 hour chart. That was the big push previous week. So, oh, just go back to our 5 minute chart. Alright, so we're looking for a touch off overnight in the positive. If it goes to the positive direction, this would be where we looking to hold tomorrow for a return. Most likely, if it go to the positive side, we may get that. So let's set up a single order, trailing stop, single order, 1 to 1, sell 1 at 2909.5. We stops are at 17, which is above the previous high point. Should be good there. And we have a single buy order to buy here at 2872s. I will go for 2872s buy limit 1, maybe a 1 to 1. He's not going for 72s. I just want to get in at this point. You can see where the node was to the bottom downside. So more or less that's the beginning plan for tomorrow. Also there are deviation levels and high points at here, which is 26 or something like that, and on the lower side if the market does crash at 53s. So maybe deviation level will depend on deviation levels a lot. Tomorrow we have some opening trades to do. Alright, so make sure you're on the ESU9 contract. ESU9 is September expiry. Rolled over on Friday, Thursday to Friday. Alright, so we have a composite of where we were looking to buy and sell. We were looking to be a little bit bullish in the market, and then we got a bearish touch off on Friday. So we got the bearish touch, stuck with small amount of points and ran away. Went and had some beers. So let's see where we open. We open to the downside. So where we gonna be looking to actually get into this market? Logical move is this 85 high volume node or the low volume node at 20 5203 5204. So if we look at the last low is 70. This is where it'll be tricky if you're looking at the Japan open or trading it overnight. So you're looking at a bearish open, basically bearish and jump back up. So we'll be looking at that 05 as the entry, as the first entry point. So we'll have one buy placed here. We tended to be bullish in the market. Let me just check and make sure that this is a hard stop, correct. save so we wouldn't get punched through or try to follow the trade too much. So we're looking at buying right on value low, which is 52.05. Looking for the 52.35 as we exit. We know 52.30 is an inflection point. So whichever we are inflected, um, you have POC test to the upside in the morning. If you do get the POC test to the upside, if we do get a big push tomorrow, look at that push. Where all that volume is. So you gotta be careful on the sell side if you're going on the sell side. So remember that's where we only willing to buy overnight here. Looking for that 35, drop down to the downside, buy off the swing area. Looking for the bounce, the upside. So 05 to 10s is your entries. We'll take 05s as our entry. Looking for that low volume node. Not looking to sell in the market. If you're looking to sell in the market and you're fine sellers, look at the the value you're high at the 85s we sold, but be very careful on that sell. Okay, get break to the either side, just below two last 2 points support, so should be good, and we're using a hard stop 1 to 1 TP. So that's all we have for the trade plan for tonight. Why do I have a position on? That'd be ESU. No, I don't have a position on, so go to the positions, clear that. This is just probably something I just remained on Friday because of that. Weird. There is a demo, so it'll be a little bit edgy, so be very careful of how you're managing your trades, especially when you're closing your position in outer order and you're trying to close them live. So that's where we're looking at overnights, looking to buy the 05s on oil. If you see, if you're looking for a bounce a little bit lower, no problem with that. The 95s held solidly, so that should be it. So I posted a video on YouTube on Friday or Saturday, yesterday. Yeah, that just more or less I intro video into who I am, what I do, and what we're looking at. Alright, cool guys. Hope to see you trading tomorrow. Don't know how things gonna turn out. My brother's on vacation, so he'll be down here tonight. Supposed to be landing in Trinidad tonight, so don't know how next week gonna turn out. So trade small, trade smart, steady as she goes. Okay guys, bye.